In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. The most destructive habit, worry. The greatest joy, giving. The greatest loss, loss of self respect. The most satisfying work, helping others. The ugliest personality trait, selfishness. The greatest shot in the arm, encouragement. The greatest problem to overcome, fear. The most effective sleeping pill, peace of mind. The most crippling failure disease, excuses. The most powerful force in life, love. The most dangerous act, a gossip. The world's most incredible computer, the brain. The worst thing to be without hope. The deadliest weapon, the tongue. The most powerful words, I can. The greatest asset, faith. The most worthless emotion, self pity. The most beautiful attire, smile. The most prized possession, integrity. The most powerful channel of communication, prayer. The most contagious spirit, enthusiasm. Life ends when you stop dreaming. Hope ends when you stop believing. Love ends when you stop caring. So please share this balance sheet of life. Friendship ends when you stop sharing.